Yes, of course. That makes sense.
Luthor! No, don't touch that!
You don't know what you're doing.
Oh, but I do. Using your technology, I'll soon be rid of anyone who could oppose my total rule of this planet. Hero or villain.
You tricked all of us?
I'm going to get rid of you. Just like you got rid of the Justice League.
What are you doing?
You'd have to be living under a rock not to notice the new planet in the sky.
What's that now?
Let's go live to the Justice Syndicate for an update on just what's happening.
People of Earth, don't panic.
Where are we, Puddin'? If we're over the rainbow, I ain't impressed.
I agree. Ooh, but look what's going on over there. It looks like they're having a party. They won't mind if we crash it.
I'm not so sure that's a good idea.
There's no way all these events are coincidental. The Justice League would have heard about this. They should be here right now, but they're not.
We're in a whole heap of trouble.
It means either the Justice League are no more, or what the Syndicate told the world about the Justice League being on a mission wasn't true.
You mean the Syndicate lied? But aren't they heroes?
Let's keep a closer eye on Clarkson. Whatever he reports, we can assume the opposite is true.
Even his article on alligators not being good house pets?
Okay, that one is true. Come on.
Come on, Mr. J. This place is too weird, even for me.
Oh, I love it. The chaos is so invigorating. I'll fit right in.
If you say so.